Hi everyone, Liz May here. I wanted to give you a quick overview of what a custom module is at TrainCycle. We know that one size does not fit all in the classroom or within your department, especially when it comes to the arts. So at TrainCycle, we take the extra step in customizing our resources to best fit your curriculum or program. We do this by collecting some information from you, including what your budget is, what disciplines or areas of interest you're looking at, and any specific needs you're hoping to fill. From there, we're able to combine a custom module for you by crafting a combination of workshops, live webinars and masterclasses, virtual field trips and Q&A sessions, and other useful resources that will provide a unique lesson module for your students. The custom lesson module is designed to supplement and enhance your classroom instruction, and it can be as minimal or as extensive as you desire. You can even sign up for a series of lessons to go along with multiple modules throughout the school year. By utilizing professionals in the industry, you now have the opportunity to work with some incredibly talented individuals and artists who specialize in their field from various locations around the world. We hope you will take advantage of this unique virtual learning time and bring our trainers into your virtual classroom. And we look forward to working with you.